Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mr. Darkman TV. I'm your host, the one and only Zainab Sabir, and tonight, we take you deep into the heart of Zimbabwe, into a story so electrifying, so emotionally charged, and dripping with glamour that you'll feel every heartbeat of the nation. But before we dive into the shimmer and spectacle, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because this isn't just a story, this is a legacy in the making, and you don't want to miss a second of it. What happens when a nurse, a marketing genius, and a woman of relentless fire walks into a national pageant with one goal to wear the crown not just on her head, but in her soul? What happens when every teardrop, every late night rehearsal, and every whispered prayer collides under one spotlight? This is not just a coronation. This is the crowning of destiny. This is the saga of Lishanda Moyas. 17th May 2025. The Harare Hippodrome. The night air shimmered with anticipation as Zimbabwe's most dazzling event kicked off in full swing. The golden lights sparkled against flowing gowns and nervous giggles, a celebration of beauty, intelligence, and unapologetic womanhood. But amid the nine hopefuls stood one woman who had already begun turning heads the moment she stepped onto the runway. Her name? Lishanda Moyas, a 26-year-old from the city of Gweru. A nurse by profession, a finance and marketing consultant by passion, and a queen by destiny. There she was, standing calm yet commanding, eyes glinting like sapphire under the chandelier's shine. She was not just representing Gweru, she was carrying the dreams of every young girl who had ever looked in the mirror and whispered, "I am enough." Behind her, the thundering energy of fellow contestants Wansamo Nakomo of Naki and Rumbirjai Mujopa of Honde Valley surged forward. They were fierce. They were phenomenal. And they were ready to claim the throne if they could. The competition wasn't just intense. It was blistering. Our host for the night, the vivacious Seboy, brought the stage to life like a burst of champagne. Cameras flashed, fans screamed, and the Harare Hippodrome roared with applause as legendary actress Connie Ferguson took her seat as guest of honor and judge. The evening unfolded like a dream, powerful performances, emotional speeches, gowns that seemed stitched by stardust. But one by one, the finalists were narrowed down. Each heartbeat, a countdown. Each smile, a shield. Backstage, Lishanda whispered into the mirror, "Be real. Be radiant. Be raw." Her mother's words echoed in her ears, "You are not like anyone else, my daughter. You are born to lead." Then came the climax. The spotlights narrowed. The stage fell into a thunderous silence. Seboy took a breath and said the words that would echo across Zimbabwe. Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2025 is Lishanda Moyas. The crowd erupted like a supernova. Tears flowed. Screams broke. Hearts soared. And as last year's Queen Sakhile Dube, who had proudly made Zimbabwe shine in the top 30 at Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico, stepped forward to crown her successor, time stopped. Blood, sweat, tears. Every emotion came crashing down in a glorious wave as Lishanda took her throne. She wasn't just a winner. She was a revolution draped in velvet and gold. Her prize? A glistening Mercedes-Benz C200 and a one-way ticket to global stardom. The journey doesn't end in Harare. No, this is just the beginning. Come November 2025, Lishanda Moyas will board a plane to Thailand, where she'll stand among the world's most powerful women in the Miss Universe 2025 competition. A nurse-turned-beauty queen, carrying the soul of Zimbabwe in her stride. She won not just because she was beautiful. She won because she was bold, brainy, and blazingly real. I feel great. I feel amazing. I'm overwhelmed but grateful. This is bigger than me. This is for Gweru. This is for every Zimbabwean woman who dared to dream. And with that, the curtain fell, but the legacy had only just begun. From the glitz of the Harare Hippodrome to the global ramp of Miss Universe Thailand, Lishanda Moyaz is a name the world will remember. Crowned at the glamorous Harare Hippodrome, Lishanda Moyaz represents not just the city of Gweru, but the spirit of a new Zimbabwe, bold, brilliant, and fiercely rooted in purpose. A trained nurse and business consultant, she blends compassion and intellect with dazzling poise. Her beauty isn't just seen on the runway, it's felt in her work, her voice, and her vision for the future. But Lishanda's journey didn't start here. She stunned audiences back in 2021 at Miss Intercontinental Zimbabwe, carving a path that led to this very throne. With every step, she's showcased what it means to be a modern African woman, grounded in tradition, driven by purpose, and unafraid to lead. Now, with a loyal online following and nearly 15,000 fans behind her, she uses her voice to uplift others, advocating for health awareness, women's economic empowerment, and the brilliance of Zimbabwean culture. This isn't just pageantry. It's power in motion. Though Zimbabwe's global pageant history is often understated, its queens have always stood tall. From Corinne Cruz's top 10 finish at Miss Universe 2000 to the country's triumphant return to the global stage in 2022, Zimbabwean beauty has always whispered strength even when the world wasn't watching. Now, in 2025, Lishanda Moyaz is turning up the volume. Hailing from a country rich with wonder, Victoria Falls, ancient Great Zimbabwe, and the soulful rhythm of Shona and Ndebele heritage, Lishanda embodies a nation that's rising once more. Zimbabwe, a land of music, resilience, and royalty, now watches proudly as one of its own prepares to take the world stage in Thailand for Miss Universe 2025. This has been Zanab Sabir, bringing you the raw, sizzling, and absolutely electrifying story of Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2025 right here on Mr. Dark Man TV. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with the world. Let the story of Lishanda Moyaz inspire the next queen in you. Until next time, keep shining.